and today I'm going to be sharing with you Donalovehair, which is a wig company that specializes in synthetic wigs, hair extensions, and they even have human hair wigs. And thank you so much to Donalovehair for sending me this complimentary wig. So first off, opening it up, we have the wig in this box. It comes with a comb as well that says Donalovehair on it. And here's the wig. Then it actually comes with the weaving cap. So this is the cap that you put on your hair before you put the wig on. I'm really curious about this hair color on me. I'm going to put this weaving cap on. Oh, okay, so it goes all the way down like that. Whoa, okay. I probably did this terribly wrong, but that's what I've got, so we'll see what happens. So here's the wig, and it comes with like little clamps and things like that. Good quality synthetic wigs, human hair wigs. Wow, this is really okay. And then once you get it on, oh, there's some little like clip things. You're supposed to clip them in properly over your head. You're supposed to trim the excess. Okay, so now I've gotten it on properly the way that I'd like it, and I parted it right here. So now I'm just straightening it. Because it is heat resistant, you can actually straighten it and it's gonna be just fine. And this is actually perfect for Halloween, I just figured out. Like, what if I was like some red-haired character? You guys, do you know any red-haired characters that I could be for Halloween with this hair? Okay, so there we go. This is what it looks like. All the way it goes down. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice, very professional, silk material, heat resistant. You can curl your hair if you want, straighten it if you want. The company has all sorts of different styles, colors. They have more natural looks, they have more faded, light pink, you know, deep burgundy colors, all sorts of different options, different lengths. It's a really cool company. If you want actual human hair, you can do that. Or if you just want hair extensions, that's fine too. So for me, this is gonna be my look here. And what do you guys think if I were to actually start filming videos like this once in a while? Please do comment below any Halloween ideas you think I could pull off by wearing this wig. Also, I have a discount coupon code for you guys, which I will link below in the description box. You guys can go shopping at Donalovehair and get a discount on your purchases. So take advantage of that as well. I just tried to lighten my eyebrows a little bit. I don't really know if it made any difference, but this is the look. Very nice and heavy, like realistic hair. I feel like I could just like swing it, etc. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!